Nintendo Switch Online – How to get a free trial. Nintendo Switch Online often flies under the radar when it comes to online gaming subscriptions, but it is a gem worth exploring. Priced affordably at $19.99 per year, Nintendo is sweetening the deal with a limited-time 14-day free trial for its online service. To snag this complimentary trial, hop onto the My Nintendo website during March 10-day festivities. This offer is open to all Nintendo account holders regardless of past trial participation. Here's how to get a free trial of Nintendo Switch Online. Simply log in, locate the Redeem Points button, and navigate to the Happy March 10-day report featuring the 14-day free trial for Nintendo Switch Online. Clicking on it will direct you to the redemption page where you can add the offer to your account. Act fast though, as this promotion is fleeting. Nintendo seldom dishes out trials like this, and this one's only up for grabs until March 18th at 11:59 p.m. So if you've been eyeing Nintendo Switch Online, seize the opportunity now. But what exactly does a Nintendo Switch Online offer? It's not just about multiplayer access, it's a treasure trove of perks. Besides enabling online multiplayer in games like Animal Crossing, New Horizons, and Splatoon 3, subscribers gain access to the NES Switch Online app, SNES app, and Game Boy app. These emulators bring classic retro games straight to your Switch screen. Moreover, subscribers receive exclusive deals, access to the Nintendo Switch Online app, and cloud storage for saving data. And for those craving more, there's the expansion pack option. For a slightly higher fee, it unlocks additional goodies like the Mario Kart 8 Deluxe Booster Course Pass, Happy Home Paradise and New Horizons, the Octo expansion in Splatoon 2, and access to Game Boy Advance, Sega Genesis, and Nintendo 64 online apps, broadening your retro gaming library. So whether you offer the $19.99 basic version or the $49.99 Switch Online Plus expansion pack bundle, Nintendo Switch Online offers a world of entertainment for gamers of all stripes.